Coming up on today's episode of Airborne Unlimited, Elixir Aircraft America bound. Virgin Galactic selects Boeing to build new motherships. Dyer begins TBM-960 deliveries to U.S. customers. Welcome to Airborne Unlimited. I'm your host, Holland Lee. Let's get into today's stories. Elixir Aircraft America bound. Elixir Aircraft has announced that it intends to broaden its presence in North America. Elixir's advance will begin with AirVenture 2022, where the company will have 2 aircraft on display. Showgoers will find the Elixir team on stand 352. To promote awareness and sales of its Part 23 certified 912IS and 915IS aircraft, the company plans to invest in a dedicated U.S. sales and marketing team. Further, they have an eye toward eventual U.S. production of the company's aircraft. Unlike traditional aluminum and composite aircraft, Elixir's aircraft are constructed with neither rivets nor screws nor glue. This unorthodox distinction is attributable to a building concept and technique called one-shot, which has been utilized in the construction of sailing vessels for more than 15 years. The one-shot technique consists of designing and manufacturing complex elements such as a wing without complex structural assemblies. The wings of Elixir aircraft are without ribs or spars, ergo the absence of rivets, screws, and glue. Elixir is the first company to design an entire wing entirely in one-shot. In addition to their unique wings, Elixir aircraft feature one-shot fuselages, canopy arches, and control surfaces. After the break, Airbus Zephyr S remains aloft.
Aviation Safety Resources is disrupting the market for aircraft emergency parachute recovery systems. ASR systems are smaller, lighter weight, and offer longer repack cycles than similar products available in the current market. ASR has a recovery system available for every type of aircraft: sport, experimental, light sport, general aviation, urban air mobility, vertical takeoff and landing, electric propulsion, and unmanned aerial systems. Find the right product for your aircraft at aviationsafetyresources.com.
At Diamond Aircraft, innovation is in our DNA. Whether you're taking to the skies for training or business travel, every aircraft in Diamond's lineup features innovative technology, an industry-leading safety record, superior performance and efficiency, and a comfortable flying experience. No other company has pioneered as many aviation firsts, achieved more milestones, or received the same amount of industry praise as Diamond. Discover why Diamond Aircraft is one of the most trusted manufacturers in aviation at diamondaircraft.com.
Well, hello, fellow pilot. I'm John King.
And I'm Martha King.
You know, we've all had our flying lives disrupted lately.
Well, King Schools is here to help you stay up to date with courses that you can access on your desktop, iPad, or iPhone. If you'd like a refresher or just want to expand your aviation horizons, we have a course for you.
So head over to kingschools.com/Rusty today for details.
Welcome back. Now let's take a trip around the patch for some other interesting stories. Airbus Zephyr S remains aloft. The Airbus Zephyr S took off on June 15, 2022 from the U.S. Army's Yuma Proving Grounds and remains aloft at this point. It is capable of reaching an altitude of 70,000 feet and remaining aloft for a period of time measurable in months. The wings of the 165-pound Zephyr S stretch an expansive 82 feet and house solar collectors that power the craft's twin propellers. The solar arrays charge a lithium-sulfur battery that stores energy enough to keep Zephyr flying throughout the night hours. SpaceX Starship 24 and Booster 7 resplendent in 39 new engines. SpaceX has hinted that its Starship 24 and Booster 7 may be nearing operational readiness. Photos shared by the company on July 2nd revealed that crews have nearly finished installing 39 upgraded Raptor engines on the new Starship and its Super Heavy booster. Differences are observable between Starship 24 and its Starship 20 predecessor, the most notable of which is the addition of a metal framework covering the entire breadth of Starship 24's aft section. American Airlines offers pilots significant pay increases. American Airlines has offered its pilots pay increases of up to $64,000. The move sets a new benchmark in the cash grab into which the post-COVID airline industry has descended. American Airlines CEO Robert Isom has outlined a proposal entailing a 16.9% pay raise for the carrier's 14,000 pilots. If implemented, the measure would see a $2 billion increase in the airline's pilot payroll. NASA Administrator warns of Chinese lunar ambitions. NASA Administrator Bill Nelson believes China is militarizing its space program for the purpose of claiming the moon. Nelson stated that China's Tiangong space station is being built to, quote, learn how to destroy other people's satellites, end quote. The NASA administrator further posited the moon's south pole is hotly contested on account of its potentially harboring water deposits conducive to the production of rocket fuel. China denied the allegations, calling Nelson, quote, colonial-minded, and asserted he had, quote, ignored the facts and spoken irresponsibly about China. That's it for today's trip around the patch. Let's get back to the rest of the news. Virgin Galactic selects Boeing to build new motherships. Virgin Galactic has completed an agreement with Boeing's Aurora Flight Sciences to manufacture the company's next-generation motherships. The mothership carries the spaceship to its release altitude of approximately 50,000 feet for launch. Virgin Galactic has been working with Aurora for the past several months to develop design specifications as well as workforce and resource requirements in preparation for this long-term project. The two-vehicle contract will enable Aurora to immediately begin development. Aurora plans to manufacture the aircraft at its Columbus, Mississippi and Bridgeport, West Virginia facilities. Final assembly of the motherships will be completed at the Virgin Galactic facility in Mojave, California. The first new mothership is expected to enter service in 2025, the same year Virgin Galactic's first Delta-class spaceship is expected to begin revenue payload flights. The company's upcoming commercial missions are expected in Q1 2023. After these messages, Dyer begins TBM-960 deliveries to U.S. customers.
Pilot Communications USA is proud to introduce our latest headsets, the Carbon A1 Active Noise Reduction and the Carbon P1 Passive Headset. Carbon fiber makes our headsets 30% lighter than others, which significantly reduces pilot fatigue. Our BlueLink hand control unit allows you to connect two devices at the same time, and the record out capability can send audio to an onboard camera or digital recorder. Get the headset that's so light you may forget you're wearing one at pilot-usa.com.
Whether you're charting a steady course or pushing for the ceiling, Hartzell Propeller has been elevating flight for over 100 years. It's in our passion for engineering and research. It's in our dedication to testing the limits of performance and creating propellers that are as safe as they are sexy. Now, together with our dedicated family of companies, we're propelling the future of aviation. We are Hartzell Propeller, built on honor.
Skyleader Aircraft offers a lineup of the most powerful, durable, and efficient light sport aircraft in the industry. From trainers to roomy cockpits for long hauls, Skyleader has an aircraft for you. And the best part? They're in your budget. Skyleader's base prices are set low to give you room to customize your aircraft to your needs, desires, and wallet, allowing you to put your money where it matters to you most. Visit flyskyleader.com today to learn about our aircraft, customization options, and chat with the team.
Welcome back. Dyer begins TBM-960 deliveries to U.S. customers. Dyer has begun customer deliveries of the TBM-960. Dyer unveiled the 960 at Sun and Fun 2022. The aircraft is motivated by Pratt & Whitney Canada's PT6E66XT powerplant and Hartzell 5-blade Raptor composite propeller, both of which are linked to a dual-channel, single-lever digital engine and propeller electronic control system. The EPECS facilitates fully automated single-switch startup of the PT6E66XT. The cockpit's power lever is an E-throttle, utilizing a single forward position from takeoff to landing, thereby reducing pilot workload and safeguarding engine health and longevity. Up front, the composite Raptor propeller improves the TBM-960's takeoff distance, climb performance, and cruise speed. At maximum power, turning 1,925 takeoff RPMs, the Raptor produces 76.4 decibels. TBM-960 owners will see a 57-gallon-per-hour fuel burn at Dyer's recommended cruise setting of 308 knots. The TBM-960's cockpit is outfitted with the G3000 integrated flight deck. The system includes ADS-B, dual transponders, TCAS-2, synthetic vision technology, weather radar, and a host of data management features. The TBM-960 is the first aircraft to make use of the GDL-60 next-generation data transmitter, which facilitates automatic database uploads and interconnectivity with mobile devices. The deliveries follow certification of the TBM-960 by FAA and EASA. To date, Dyer has delivered more than 1,080 TBMs in 12 different versions. And that's our show for today. You can catch episodes of Airborne on YouTube, Roku, or Fire TV. Just search for Aero-News or Airborne. And don't forget to follow us on social media. Thanks for watching!